And of course, Kagawad Monario Andres. Okay, our first runner-up, or second runner-up, garnering the average score of 90.17%. Basahin natin ng maayos, bak ayoko nga mas Steve Harvey tayo dito. Candidate number 10. Thank you so much. Now we have our Best in Talent to be awarded by our chairman of the board of judges, Mrs. Denise Lerida, and of course, and together with Mr. Castor, sir, please. Our Best in Talent is number 10 dito tayo sa gilid. Yan, of course. Now, our Best in Swimwear to be awarded by Mr. Brian Esperos and Mr. Jovan, sir. Our Best in Swimwear is our Best in Swimwear is you, candidate number 7. Thank you very much. Our next award is our Best in Casual Wear to be awarded by Punong Barangay Honorable Marcelo Ardomin and Barangay Kagawad Marife Banto, please. Okay, of course, award Kagawad Marife Banto, and of course, our SK chairperson, Honorable Patricia Marie Rizaldo. Our Best in Casual Wear is it's you, candidate number 8. Our Best in Evening Gown to be awarded by Kagawad Wanario Andres, and Kagawad Christian Suka. Our best in long gown is it's you again, candidate number 8. Now we have our Miss Articulate, garnering the average score of 97.70%, to be awarded by Mr. Kurt Russell Corpus and Mr. Ivan Carr Latino. Our Miss Articulate is candidate number Okay, picture po muna tayo sa ating minor awards. Because at this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, I will be announcing now our top 5 finalists. At na-verify na ng ating mga judges. Yan, dyan muna kayo sa inyong mga position. Taas na lang po tayo, let us reveal. It's you, candidate number 2. Congratulations, ladies! And now we will be awarding now our minor awards. Hinihintay na lang po natin yung printing ng ating minor awards. Okay, girls, photo ops muna sa ating special awards. our minor awards for tonight. Okay. So, talagang busisi ang ating mga judges. Sa ating winners, sa ating balik tayo sa ating position. Yes. Now we have our result for our minor award. We have our Miss Production number, our best in production number, to be awarded by Miss Jan Puntanos and Miss Rian Abigail Silva, please. Our best in production number is to be awarded by Miss Annalisa Abelino, please. Okay, Miss Annalisa and Mr. Abelino, please. Our Miss Cafe Avelino is congratulations, candidate number 10. I need you. Thank you so much, acting sponsor for tonight. We have also our Cloud Factory. Our Miss Cloud Factory to be awarded by Mr. Edmar Bermudez, Mr. John Walter Desperos. Our Miss Cloud Factory is it's you again, candidate number 10.
Hello, everything's okay.
Our next award, our sponsor award, is of course our Miss Eliocano Volleyball Association. Our Eliocano Volleyball Association is an organization for the sports enthusiasts promoting camaraderie and sportsmanship. Our Miss Eliocano Volleyball Association will receive a sash and cash prize. The presenters are our SK Kagawad Annalisa Ardomil. We have Kagawad Christian Subang. And of course, the founder and president of the Ilocano Volleyball Association, Mr. Jans Lantingue. Our Miss Ilocano Volleyball Association is candidate number 8. Okay, our sponsor award, next sponsor award is Miss Sky Andromeda Nails and Lashes. Our Miss Sky Andromeda Nails and Lashes will receive a sash and a gift certificate for 1 year of service by Sky Andromeda Nails and Lashes. The presenters are SK Kagawad Agustus Dilen, SK Kagawad Annalisa Aromin, and Miss Vicky Wayan Desperos. In behalf of Mr. Jans Lantingue, sir, please. Our Miss Sky Andromeda Nails and Lashes is it's you! Candidate number! Again, candidate number 8! Congratulations! Casual wear, casual interview, swimwear, and gown competition. It's averaging, okay? In no particular order. Our first finalist for our top 5 finalists is it's you, candidate number 3. Okay, our next finalist is candidate number 1. And now our third finalist is you, candidate number 10. Pasok ka na, candidate number 2.
I need you.
Allah ni Mami. We're also in candidate number 8. So beautiful tonight. So, kamusta naman ang feeling na pasok ka sa top 5 finalists?
I am grateful.
So, ready ka na bang marinig ang iyong Q&A for tonight? You pick judge? Mr. Brian Desteros. Okay, good evening, darling.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, thank you. Okay, congratulations. So here's your question. As a beauty queen, how can you help in solving the biggest problem in our generation and be the catalyst for change? I repeat, as a beauty queen, how can you help in solving the biggest problem in our generation and be the catalyst for change?
I would start first by stating what is the most crucial problem we face today. And I think that is about woman empowering awareness. Kasi po, marami pong nakaka-receive na kababaihan ng negative comments. And I can also relate myself to that. Because to be brutally honest, I've been receiving a lot of hate and negative comments about me joining this pageant. And of course, I was shocked because all those negativity are coming from women. But tonight, I am standing here as a candidate not just to win a crown, but also to raise my voice for woman empowering awareness. Because I believe that if there is no negativity among women, then all women are more empowered. Thank you.
That's empowering women. Congratulations. And thank you so much, candidate number. Now we have our next award is our Miss Pampao Prince Enterprises, to be awarded by Mrs. Imelda, Miss Melda Posibio, please. Our Miss Pampao Prince Enterprises is Sponsorship Award, Miss Police Bouquet Choice Award. We have 5 winners for Police Bouquet Choice Award, to be awarded by Kagawad Louis Labingin and of course our CJ. Yes. Okay, our Police Bouquet Award are candidate number 1, candidate number 2, candidate number 8, Our next award is our Miss Congeniality. To be awarded by our Board of Judges, Mr. Jan Quintanos, and of course our Chairman of the Board of Judges, Mrs. Demiliz Nerida, please. Okay. Miss Congeniality is candidate number 4. Okay, we will be awarding our Miss Photogenic to be awarded by our Board of Judges, Mr. Jovan, and of course, Sir Castor, please. And we will be revealing our picture. Number 8. Hello, candidate number 8.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. Kamusta ka naman ngayong gabi?
I'm fine, thank you.
Wow, you're fine, thank you. So, you may now pick your number. Okay, we have now, you pick number 1. How did you prepare for this pageant? How did you prepare for this pageant?
You know, standing in front of many people isn't really easy. That's why I've been focusing on building courage and self-confidence throughout my pageant journey by simply surrounding myself with the most amazing people and embracing what are my unique qualities. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 8. Yes, oo nga naman ano, Grace under pressure. Oo, okay, and now, candidate number 9, this is Jessica Maniego. We have our Miss Beautiful Skin to be awarded by Kagawad George Luisa Latingan and of course Kagawad Monario Andres. Our Miss Beautiful Skin is award, we have our Ever Beauty Salon to be awarded by our SK Kagawa, the Miss Rona Ben Flora, and Miss Sofia Alexandria Darugdog. Okay, we have 2 winners for our Sponsors Award of Ever Beauty Salon. Now, ladies and gentlemen, our Ever Beauty Salons are... Candidates number 8
I need you.
and 10.
I need you.
Okay, so non-winners, pwede na muna tayo pumunta sa ating backstage for our casual later on. And of course, candidates, photo ops muna sa ating winners. Girl, number... Sa lahat ng winners po natin, picture muna sa ating gitna. Congratulations to all our winners for our Sponsor and Special Awards. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And our next award is a Sponsor Award, which is the Miss Valentino's Choice Award. She will receive a bouquet and a cash prize. And now, ladies and gentlemen, to be awarded by, of course, Miss Valentina. Good evening. Ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Valentino's Choice Award. Ladies and gentlemen, yes. Candidate number 8.
Just like this, 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 just like this.
Okay, another Sponsors Award. The Northern Aluminum Glass. Our Miss the Northern Aluminum Glass will receive a bouquet and a cash prize. May we call on Miss Daniela Marie Du to award our Miss the Northern Aluminum Glass. Our Miss Northern Aluminum Glass, yes. Candidate number 7. Okay, now we have also a sponsor award. which is our Project 0704 Events and Productions. It's a promising professional events management with a track record of successful events and more than an event management group, which at its maximum include all creative, technical, and logistical elements, or a subset of this depending on the client's needs and requirements and budgets. They provide services for practically all types of events, including private or personal events such as weddings and parties and projects and reunions. Our Miss Project 0004 Events and Production will receive a cash and a sash. The presenter of this award are SK Kagawad Agustus Cesar Dilim and Barangay Kagawad Marife Bantog, and the production executive Mr. Jans Landinge. Our Miss Project 0704 Events and Productions is candidate number 8. Kaya picture muna sa ating winners. Wag muna nga alas ang ating candidates because we will be having our casual interview. Okay? Okay? Candidates, picture muna with our photographer for tonight. Okay, ladies, balik muna tayo sa ating pwesto because we will be having now our casual interview. Again, I will be reading the criteria for judging for our casual interview. Knowledge and perception, 30%. Self-expression, 20%. Delivery of answer, 20%. Choice of words, 30%. A total of 100%. Okay, so ang mechanics po nito, bubunot po sila ng number ng kanilang casual interview, then babasahin ko po dito ang ating question. Okay? So let us begin with candidate number 1, please. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we will be awarding now our second set of special award and, of course, our sponsors award. Ladies, move backward, please. Okay, we will be having now our Queen of the Ramp. Our Queen of the Ramp to be awarded by Kagawad Eric Arenyorta and, of course, Kagawad Cesar Pulido, please. Our Queen of the Ramp is candidate number 3. Congratulations. Now we will be awarding now our Miss Cafeteria to be awarded by Mr. MJ Nisperos. With Miss Rona Flora. Our Miss Cafeteria is candidate number 7. Congratulations! Now we have our People's Choice Award to be awarded by SK Kagawad Honorable Annalisa Adumin, and of course we have SK Kagawad Ian Vince Lumama. And of course Mr. Agustus Dilem. Our People's Choice Award is candidate number 1. Now we have our Miss Body Beautiful to be awarded by Mr. Kurt Russell Corpus and of course Mr. John Walter Nesperos. Our Miss Body Beautiful is candidate number 5.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 8 is Margie Olivia Sus. Now we have candidate. Okay, now we have our R&L Transit to be awarded by our sponsor. Na nandito po. Mr. Robert, sir, please. Okay. Si Bruce pala to eh. Hello, Robert. Good evening. Our Miss R&L Transit is to be awarded by Mr. Robert Bruce to our candidate, please. Our R&L Transit is candidate number 8.
I need you, girl.
we have our Silver Motors. Thank you so much, Sir Robert, for that sponsorship award. Now we have our Silver Motors. Okay, of course, to be awarded by Sir Silver. Now, ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Silver Motors, yes! Candidate number 10. Okay, our next award is our Miss Winsome Smile, to be awarded by Barangay Kagawad Marife Bantog, together with Punong Barangay Honorable Marcelo Aromil. Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Winsome Smile is... Candidate number 2! Congratulations! Now we will be awarding our Miss Beautiful Hair, to be awarded by Barangay Kagawad Honorable Armando F. Triposi and Barangay Kagawad Christian Suba.